Biomedical Sciences course has been designed with a focus on health and well-being for all, one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The course combines our research strengths across areas of human health and disease with our ability to deliver outstanding science education. With collaboration from employers and alumni, we've designed a course that will enable our students to graduate with essential skills and make a difference in the world.
You'll discover more about the development of the human body from birth and throughout life in both health and disease through the different disciplines of biomedical sciences, including anatomy, genetics, pharmacology, immunology, and biochemistry. Research is at the heart of the course. You'll be guided by leading experts who bring the latest innovations directly into your learning experience, whether that's drug delivery, vaccine development, pain relief, or musculoskeletal health and disease. Nottingham is well known for its biomedical research, like being the home of MRI technology. We want our graduates to be able to go out into the world with this same curiosity for discovery and a can-do approach instilled into them, with the knowledge and skills behind them to make a difference in the world. Year 1 will see you building a foundation of knowledge across key areas of biomedical sciences within the wider context of science and society. As you move through the course, you'll deepen your understanding of these core disciplines and also be introduced to more complex concepts.
Our course is designed to help you explore the fascinating field of human health issues in a way that's completely tailored to your own interests. In your third year, you'll undertake a year-long project in the field of your choice, allowing you to deepen your knowledge and develop the key skills that employers value. If you choose our 4-year integrated masters, you'll also complete an additional year-long research project through a placement either in industry or academia, taking your understanding even further.
We developed the course in collaboration with the healthcare industry, and the curriculum is underpinned by the transferable skills that employers are looking for: communication, innovation, problem solving, and critical thinking. There's a whole range of career opportunities, from pharmaceutical and healthcare research to business and education. There are opportunities for students to study abroad at universities such as Hong Kong and Melbourne. We have also established partnerships for industrial placements at companies including AstraZeneca or GlaxoSmithKline.
You'll benefit from our outstanding teaching facilities across each discipline, ranging from specialised teaching laboratories to high-end computing spaces. Whether you're administering drugs to tissues and measuring the tissue's response, or taking part in body dissection and 3D scanning in the anatomy suite, you'll be supported by the best infrastructure to develop your skills. Our Biomedical Sciences course has been designed to bring you the very best of interdisciplinary education.
With research-engaged teaching, exposure to real-world projects, and the ability to tailor your module choices to your developing interests. You'll graduate ready for a range of careers in the healthcare industry and beyond.